Hello and welcome. My name is Nida and today I want to talk to you about a company called PaxGenBio. Now they are making medical devices and today I want to talk to you about their COVID testing kit. This is not a testing kit you would use at home. It is a professional device used in hospitals and COVID testing centers. But it is a bit different than other ones and I want to tell you a bit today about why that is. It is an IVD, an in vitro testing device, but it is extremely accurate and extremely specific, and there are a few reasons for that. So, first of all, it's called a real-time testing process, and what does that mean? It means that you have these tests in other hospitals as well, but to get a result you would usually need at least 2 hours, but this product actually can give you the result in only 50 minutes. Now that is very, very fast. And that is also the reason why many large hospitals around Korea are switching to this product now. And yes, now, as you can see, we have the website here open, and I will tell you a little bit more about the process in a minute. Let me first tell you about why it is so accurate. There are two factors that contribute to that. Number one, it is very, very sensitive. A sensitive test means that it doesn't require a lot of the thing that it is testing in order to give a positive result. For this test, the limit of detection, the LOD, is only 1 copy of the virus. Usually tests would need around 4 or 5 copies, but only 1 copy is sufficient for this test to find the coronavirus. And another reason that it is very accurate is that it is also very specific. Now you might wonder, if it is so sensitive, is it not going to detect some other diseases and give me a false positive? No, luckily it won't do that because it is very specific and will only detect the coronavirus. This has been tested, for example, with cross reactions. So they tested 26 respiratory diseases for cross reactions with the virus and found that it does not detect these falsely. And also it will not be disturbed by any interference. They tested for 9 interfering substances and found no issues with those in the testing. Now, what can it diagnose? It can obviously diagnose the COVID virus, but these days we have many variants coming from all over the world. It feels like there's new variants popping up everywhere in the UK, Brazil, California, and India, and South Africa. But yeah, this test can detect all of the variants, so the COVID virus itself, the alpha, and also the beta version, the gamma version, the delta version, and the new, unfortunately, the Omicron, but all of them can be detected by this test. And yes, and not just this is not just a testing kit that you get in this product, but you also get a report system, a view program, and you get a functioning lab environment as well, which I will show you a little bit in the video. Yes, now, why do we need products such as these? I mean, these days the demand for products like this is growing immensely because unfortunately the coronavirus is not going anywhere, and we don't need just any testing kits. We need the ones that are extremely accurate and reliable, and therefore a company such as this is actually growing very, very fast these days. Now let me tell you about the another really important point about the accuracy. Now actually what this product does is it has a quality control system in it. It has a human DNA gene inside of it, which it uses as a control that is used inside of the testing kit. So it always gives you very, very accurate results. And also, unlike many other tests, it only uses 1 reaction tube. So instead of having 2 or 3 different tubes that you would require, you only require 1 only. And yes, because it is such a good product, it is also certified around the globe. Now it is a Korean product, and therefore it is obviously certified in Korea, but it is also certified around the globe, especially in Europe. And now I want to quickly show you some parts of the video so you can see a little bit about what the lab looks like. So I will enhance this screen and play this video for you. As you can see, here we have the testing kit introduction video. Yes, so this is what that looks like, the IVD device. Here the lab worker is taking them out, as you can see. Yes, and it is telling you a little bit about what I told you just now about the accuracy of it. And again, what I told you about the single tube, as you can see, the whole test is conducted within one single tube. Here's the part about the human RNase gene that is included as a controlled mechanism inside of the tubes. And as you can see a little bit about the process of this. And yeah, so basically this is how this whole process works, and this lab worker will continue to develop this test. And yes, so I hope that by this introduction you understand a little bit about the specialties that come with this particular COVID testing kit. And I want to thank you for your attention, and goodbye.